Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile get display brightness setting, and today video title guys how to change and increase screen timeout in Tecno mobile. So friends, you want to change your device screen timeouts, phone sleep time. So friends, how to change one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone display brightness setting. After the display brightness setting friends, you can use brightness level setting. You can increase brightness, you can decrease brightness. From your left side you can decrease, right side you can increase brightness. Second option friends, if you click here adaptive brightness setting, so friends your brightness will increase and decrease according to environment if you on adaptive brightness setting. And friends, you can see eye care mode setting. Friends, you want to on eye care mode, you can on eye care mode. And friends, you should on eye care at night when you operate your phone at night. After on guys, you can look at on your screen easily. And friends, you can use wallpaper setting, dark mode setting. So friends, click here screen timeout option, and friends you can change your phone sleep time, your screen timeout you can change. So friends, I will change here 1 minute. So when screen will not off after the 15 and 30 seconds, your phone screen will off after 1 minute if you do not tap and if you do not touch on your screen. And press again if you click 30 second and 15 second screen timeout setting. So once you can check after 15 seconds screen will off automatic. 15, 14, 13, 12, 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So friends, screen will off automatic if you do not tap. So like that friends, your phone screen just off second and minute. So when increase your phone screen timeout and you can solve this problem and you can use your screen. So friends, after 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, your screen will not off, screen will on. After 5 minutes, your screen will off automatic if you do not tap on your screen. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.